Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and please do check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language lessons. Last week here in England we saw a very rare intervention in politics by the Queen. She let it be known through various sources that she's unimpressed with the way so many world leaders talk a good talk about tackling the climate crisis, but then don't walk the walk. In other words, they talk a lot, but they fail to take meaningful action. Part of the problem, of course, is that the huge oil and gas companies that make a fortune from continuing to exploit the limited supply of fossil fuels we still have, hold a huge amount of sway. In other words, they have a lot of power or a lot of influence. They back certain politicians, they make sizable donations to political parties, and so they always have the ear of important, influential people. In the same way, in some countries, you might say the church still holds far too much sway for my liking here. Or in America, after we see the high school massacres that happen with such disturbing regularity, you always think maybe this time they'll ban guns, but they never do, because the gun lobby hold a lot of sway. You also sometimes hear it used when talking about civil wars or civil disturbances, where maybe the rebel forces still hold sway in northern parts of the country. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps other people see the video. In the comment section below, we'd love to hear examples of organisations or people or things that hold sway or hold too much sway for your liking where you are. And please do share the video and our channel with your friends, your colleagues and your students. Thanks for watching.